So we have an example here where we are looking at US customary unit conversions with whole number values, and we have a two-step conversion. So we have a coffee pot holds 3 quarts of coffee. How much is this in cups? We'll use our table below and make sure we include the correct units in our answer. So we're going to start our conversion with what we're given, which is 3 quarts. And we're going to make sure we finish our conversion when we have the units of cups. All right, so let's go ahead and write 3 quarts to start. And let's consider what equivalent statement can we multiply by to begin our conversion of quarts to cups. So if we look at our table below, we see we have here 1 quart equal to 2 pints. We also have 4 quarts equal to 1 gallon. Now, the direction we're going in is from quarts to cups. We want to go smaller. So we're not going to use the 1 gallon equal to 4 quarts because that's going bigger. That's going towards gallons, and we want to go towards cups. So starting with 1 quart equal to 2 pints, I know I need to put the quarts in the denominator. So 1 quart. And then the numerator, I'm going to put 2 pints. So I can see my quarts divided by quarts, that's eliminated. I'm left with pints. Now notice we got to do another step so we can go from pints towards cups. So the next equivalent statement we have here is 1 pint equal to 2 cups. So if I multiply this by, now I can see I need to put pints in the denominator. So I'm putting 1 pint and then 2 cups in the numerator. So I can see here pints divided by pints is eliminated. And so now I'm left with the unit of cups. That's what we wanted. So now let's go ahead and finish with the arithmetic part of our calculation. So we have the 3 times the 2 times the 2, and we're left with cups. And that leaves us with 12 cups. Okay, so in this particular example, we needed to do 2 steps to get to the conversion. Sometimes we only need 1, sometimes we need 2, sometimes we need more than 2. You can have as many as you need to go through to get to the desired units. Let's try another example. All right, so we have Sarah cut 2 yards of ribbon from a spool. How much did she cut in inches? All right, so we want to start with 2 yards and we want to finish when we get to inches. Okay, so write down my 2 yards. Okay, now let's consider our equivalent statements or our conversion factor. So we can go from yards to feet. All right, so let's try that. I'm going to put 1 yard in the denominator. So therefore, the 3 feet goes into the numerator. So I can see here, yards divided by yards is eliminated. Now I'm at feet. I need to go towards inches. So I need to multiply by another equivalent statement or conversion factor. So again, looking at our table, we have 1 foot equals 12 inches. So I'm going to put the feet portion in the denominator, 1 foot. In the numerator, I'm going to put 12 inches. So again, notice what happens with our units. Feet divided by feet is eliminated. And now we are left with the units we desired, which is inches. Now let's go through and do our multiplication. That's that 2 times 3 times 12. And we have here inches. So when we multiply that through, we get 72 inches. and we are done.